DYISLAND MT600 electric bike disc brake pad operation video. Use the shorter end of the wrench to loosen 2 screws. Quickly remove the 2 screws with the long end of the wrench. Use a wrench to loosen and remove the screws that secure the brake pads on the brake pedal. Remove the brake from the brake disc and remove the old brake pads inside. Assemble the new brake pads as shown in the diagram and align them with the screw holes and place them in the brake pedal. Insert the screw and use a wrench to rotate it into the brake to secure the brake pads in the brake. Place the brake back on the brake disc and align it with the screw holes of the adapter. Use a wrench to twist the 2 screws into the screw holes and tighten the brake. Thanks for watching.